Hello everyone. So the most important thing about the website builder is the managing the website. How to design the website, how to change the background color, how to change the text color, how to change the font base, how to give the margin in the top, in the left, in the right, in the bottom, and all of the designs. So I'm in this website. I have total two pages. I will click on pages and I'm going to do some changes in the about us page. I have to click on content and then click on content tab, and these are the two sections that I have in this page. I will click on edit. Okay, so in this page you can see there are so many components which are building this page. This is the title, this is the paragraph, this is a one image and media, then these are the images, then this is the a promotion bar, this is a stats bar, this is the frequently asked question, and this is a contact us. So the idea is how to change the background color, text color, all this kind of information. So let's start one by one. First, click on this edit. This is the title bar. So when you click on the title bar, this will redirect you here where you can change the content. So this is for changing the content. Now close this one. So what are the changes that we can do with this title? For example, this one, about our business. Very simple. Let's start. This is the component, and in the left hand side these are the property of a component: line height, font size, text alignment, text color, background pattern, all these information, border radius. So let's try to do one by one. First of all, this is the font size. Click all this font size to 72 so you can do the see the differences. Now reload this page and see what happens. About our business, this big font size. Okay, now text alignment, center, left, right, center. So now I'm clicking on left, click again, and see what happens here. Yeah, this now is in the left hand side. Now let's make it back to the right hand side or in the center. And this is the text color I'm changing to the very much green color here. And in the background I want something like light yellow. So now I have background color of this title and the text color is the green. So click this one, reload the page again. See this one, about our business, light background color in the yellow in the background color and green in the text color. So same way you can do lots of other things. You can do some kind of background pattern or background gradient. For example, if you want to do this background gradient, click this one. What exactly is gradient? Gradient is a combination of colors which brings the impact on your look and feel of the title. So this is very nice gradient. See, you can see in the background is two three different colors. So now again going back to the margin. So margin, if you want to display a gap, a space in the top and a space in the bottom. So 20 is pixel in designing. So say 2020, click yes, and you can see the difference. In the very top, now you can see there is a tiny bit gap here. All this gap will come as per the margin. So now you want to say top border. So border I can say 5 5 5 5, and the top border I want as a red color, the right border I want as a blue color, and the bottom border I want as a this color, and the left border I want something like this one, yellow one. So see what exactly happens. Reload the page again, and now you can see there is a border here in the left, right, top, bottom, everyone. As you can see here, this one. So now let's start with the border radius. What exactly is the border radius? So border radius, if you want to make a rounded cone, so rounded corner, so this will help you to bring a smooth nice design to the component. So I will do bottom, top, left, right, everything, border radius 10, and see what exactly happens here. So So this is the title about our business. So see what exactly happens here. If I reload the page, there will be some rounded, yeah, you can see there is some rounded in the left, right, top and bottom. So now it's looking very nice. So same way, if you want to do something else with the company, this is the property of page component. But now this is the about us. If I click about us, this is the section property. So what is the section property? So section property is, for example, this section about us, this section, if I click here, there are multiple components. This is the title component, paragraph component, text and media, promotion, all this. So if you want to apply a color design or something for the all section here, all section, how you can do? Multiple ways. Full width, yes, 100%. Now you can see all components are in the middle of the page. But if you want to stress this to the full page, what you have to do? Page section, full width, yes, say save, reload the page, and now you can see what exactly happens. All contents are stressed to the complete 100% of the page. So you can decide the design as per the need. Also, in the background color, you can say complete red here and then say this one. See what exactly happens. There will be a complete red in the background. Now you can see red, 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 all this information. Why? Because we have given the background color as a red. Border exactly same thing, border radius exactly same thing, but most of the time you can do these changes with the component when you click on component. So few other things about the contact us component, but before this I will change the background color to the white because red will not bring any impact. Now few more other properties about the component. So when I click on the component property, again this component will be expanded and you can do the line height, font size, text alignment, text color, background color, pattern. So what is exactly is this pattern? So if I click on pattern here and then save, and let's see, reload the page in the contact us, there is a background color, so it will not come. Let's go to the title one, title. Now we have the background gradient, so you have to reset the background gradient and then you have to apply this background pattern. Saved, reload the page, and let's see what happens. Now you can see there is a some kind of design pattern in the background. So there are lots of ways you can do some changes and bring impact on your website as per the need and as per the brand of your website. There are a few other things that's very much important to know. For example, contact us. I'm clicking this contact us. Also, you can do some changes here also. For example, if I select and I do bold, or if I select here, I can do italic. If I can select here and do underline. Also, there are a few other things. All the buttons that you have, you can change the icon here by selecting this icon. By selecting all these icons, open in new window, yes. And also if you want to change the design of this address, this one, this is the very bottom, the address one, this one, address. So I want to change the design of this address. So click on this small pop-up here and say that okay, the background color I want red and text color I want white, then apply and close, and then the things will be changed here also. Now I will do save here, close. It will bring some changes here in the background also. If you can see, there is a pattern design and few other changes. So you have a lots of flexibilities to do some changes as per the need. Thank you.